What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So regulars to the channel will know that I've been using the GoPro Hero 7 with the Ulanzi case that houses the media mod. But since I've got a new helmet, I thought I'd upgrade my camera setup as well. This is not a setup video, this is just simply let's get it out of the box, let's see what I've spent my hard-earned cash on. So I've gone with the GoPro Hero 10. I've got a GoPro Hero 9 media mod. It works with the 10. I was going to get the Hero 9, but because a few other vloggers are using it, and so you can basically have a shortcut of your learning curve with a new product. So if somebody else is using the same thing that you want to do or use, then you can basically figure out what they've done, or they'll maybe have done a video in the past and you can basically copy and basically, why reinvent the wheel when there's other people basically making the mistakes for you? Okay, that's the way I'm rolling. So, which should we go with first? I'll tell you what, we'll get the 10 out. This can go out of the way. So, Hero 7 is retired, but I will need something out of that in a moment. So, last GoPro I bought was the two Hero 7s that I've got. The packaging is massively different. It feels good, looks a lot better than it did. So the old GoPros, if you might remember, they had an acrylic plastic case around it with the box part underneath. It was a nightmare to get into, but rip here. So, like I say, like all products, the packaging tells you exactly what it does, but we don't need that right now. What we want to do is get in the box. Okay, so this is actually pretty cool. Like I said at the just now, the old GoPros, you got the plastic case and the bits inside, and then you had this plastic that you ended up throwing away. This looks cool. So what's in the box? Obviously we've got our Hero 10. Let's pull it out next to the 7. Come on, come on, you can do it. So, slightly bigger than the Hero 7 to start with. And then what else have we got? Obviously charging cable, battery, might as well take that out. Fancy schmancy colours, blue is good. Mount. Sticky mount, tightening up thingy, that is a technical word, empty space, cardboard. Okay, and then we've got the instructions of obviously what to do, how to get it all plugged in and ready to go. So we might refer to those. Being a man, I shouldn't really use the instructions, but you know, you never know. So that case will come in handy. I can carry my GoPros in there, in my rucksack or my whatevers. Put that there for now. So the big difference between the 7, obviously there's loads of differences actually, but better camera, better stabilization, blah de blah de blah. Like I say, this is just let's get it out of the box. You don't need a case now if you're going to run it straight without a microphone plugged into it. You just fold out the little ears and we're good to go, like so. I'm going to leave the wrapper and the packaging on for now while I'm faffing around. Okay, so let's get the door open. Oh, this is cheeky. Alright, so door's open, battery will obviously go inside. Now if it's anything like how you undo the 7, that should just pull off, he says. There we go. So you don't need that part, that door, if you're using the media mod. I will need a memory card. and then the battery goes in, obviously, like so. Right, so it's looking pretty cool actually. I do like the blue writing. It is quite fancy. Like I say, it is a little bit bigger than the old one. Oh, what have I done? Come on, you can do this. I've just done it. There we go. So it is a little bit bigger. Right, both there. There you go. Focus. There you go. Let's focus it on there. And then we might as well carry a knife, save a life. Trusty Leatherman. Done that wrong, didn't I? Okay, so what's in the box? Again, another mount, tightening whitener, that's basically a microwave windsock for the microphone on the side of the GoPro media mod. So we've got the media mod, and again, look at this. Figuring it out as we go. Right, that goes in there. That must simply go in there. And then we can close that. And then we can close the door. And we're good to go. So obviously this is going to need charging. Should have took that off, shouldn't I? There we go. So we're good to go. I won't be using this because I'll be using an external mic, so it'll be the same microphone and the same adapter that I used on the 7. So let's compare like for like. There we go. That's not going to fit. More fingers and thumbs, all fingers and thumbs. So, next to each other, let's have a look. So obviously got the 10 in my left hand versus the 7. It looks to me, from the get-go, it looks a lot tidier of a setup. Obviously it's a bit wider than the 7, so the 10 with the media mod is a lot wider. But then you get a bigger screen at the back. One of the things that frustrated me with this is like trying, because it was upside down on the helmet, trying to switch it on, because I had it on basically instant record, so once it was switched on it would be recording, and but trying to switch that on with gloves and riding the bike was a pain in the bum, so that's going to be a lot easier to get and work basically, and just click it on. Again, I'll have it on basically as soon as I press it, it will start recording and we're good to go. So I'm just noticing the camera is running out of battery, so might as well close this video out. Like I said, this is just an unboxing video. We're going to do a proper get it set up on the camera, on the helmet, and everything else installed before on the next video. So if you got anything from the video, I'm excited to get this one up and running and working compared with this. So the footage on this was great. This I'm hoping is better and worth the extra money that I've just forked out, otherwise it's not a good investment. So I'm going to close out the video. If you've got anything from it, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just comment down below and I will see you in the next one. Take care now. Bye bye then. Gotta have soft lips. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Now, regulars will know that What's going on, everyone? Can't even talk. Now this is not a setup video, this is more of an unboxing. Let's see what's in the boxes. Okay, we'll do a unbox. This is just an unboxing video. There's not a setup video or a what settings. Why am I doing rabbit ears?